We'll discuss the top 10 monthly dividend stocks to buy right now in this video. Before we start, welcome to the channel. Zillow Finance. Make sure to subscribe if you are new on this channel and turn on the notification bell for new videos, so you will be updated with our new content. Now let's get back to the video. Occasionally, unavoidable costs and daily market volatility can force retirees to make difficult decisions, like whether to sell a good stock at a bad time in order to pay the bills. Some recent retirees struggle once they stop receiving a regular paycheck and start living off of their investment portfolio. Using this strategy, dividend stocks, bonds, and other assets are used to create monthly income, as an alternative to gradually using up your savings to pay for your retirement costs. Monthly dividend stocks are a growingly popular choice for income investments since they deliver cash flow every 30 days, instead of the standard 3 months on Wall Street. The 10 stocks listed below pay dividends on a monthly basis, and while they come with risk like any investments, they can be worth taking into account for income-focused portfolios. One of the most well-liked companies among investors looking to build reliable monthly income streams is Number 10, Realty Income Corp. Perhaps one of the most well-liked stocks among investors is Realty Income. Centered on developing reliable monthly income sources. Real estate income holds commercial real estate that at least is exclusively to grade A tenants on long-term leases, of typically 10 years or more. The company's whole identity is based on the fact that it delivers a monthly dividend and has done so regularly since its incorporation. Realty Income, which owns over 11,400 commercial properties with a 98.9% occupancy rate, and 1,100 tenants operating in 72 different industries, qualifies for our list of the best monthly income dividend stocks because its portfolio is in excellent condition. It also offers a yield that is at the lower end of our selection at around 3.97%. Real estate income is a reliable investment that fits well in any portfolio. Number 9, Stag Industrial Inc. Another stock that pays a monthly dividend and is regarded as an excellent inflation hedge makes sense to have on our list. With a market cap of $5.6 billion, Stag Industrial owns industrial logistics and warehouse real estate. These niches have performed particularly well in recent years as the retail economy continues to migrate more and more away from brick and mortar stores and toward the online e-commerce space. With some exposure to prime well-managed logistics and warehouse real estate, Stag Industrial's growth prospects appear to be favorable. Stag Industrial owns industrial warehouse and logistics real estate, and these markets have done exceptionally well. Adding some exposure to prime, well-managed logistics and industrial real estate occupied by grade A tenants seems like a good idea for investors to hedge against inflation as the retail economy continues to move more and more out of brick and mortar stores and into the online e-commerce space. With a current market cap of $5.6 billion, growth prospects for Stag look pretty good, and the forward dividend yield is stable at 4.16 as of August. Number 8, Agree Realty Corp. As a publicly traded real estate investment trust, or REIT, if you're not familiar, this special class of corporation is granted preferential tax treatment to facilitate its capital-intensive operations. And in exchange, all REITs must return 90% of taxable income to shareholders. Agree is primarily engaged in net leased retail properties, which means tenants pay for the upkeep and taxes while ADC just cashes the rent checks. Strategy creates a solid business that can afford consistent monthly dividend payments to shareholders. Realty's core dividend yield, as of September 2022, is 3.7%. Number 7, Apple Hospitality Incorporated Inc. With pent-up demand for travel following the pandemic, APLE Hospitality REIT has a diverse portfolio of upscale hotel properties that span almost 90 different markets in 34 states. These properties are branded under the Marriott, Hilton, and Hyatt nameplates and include locales like Boca Raton, San Diego, and New York City. Recently, Apple has had significant revenue, and its price has reacted accordingly. When compared to the S&P 500, which has lost around 18% over the same period, Apple Hospitality REIT shares are down less than 5% year to date. As of September 2022, the dividend yield for Apple Hospitality REIT is 5.4%. Number 6. Cross Timbers Royalty Trust. The smallest stock on this list, CRT Cross Timbers Royalty Trust, has a market capitalization of less than $150 million, but it is still worth looking into as a monthly dividend stock in the energy sector because of its partnership model, which gradually brings its energy reserves to market and returns the majority of the profit from those sales to shareholders. Cross Timbers Royalty Trust, CRT, had 2.5 million barrels of oil and 14.3 billion cubic feet of natural gas underground at the end of last year, so there are plenty of resources left to ensure continued payouts for a while. With a generous yield among the highest on this list, this monthly dividend stock is worth a look despite its small size as long as energy prices remain high in 2022. Number 5. Gladstone Capital Corporation. Gladstone primarily focuses on small opportunities through investments ranging from $7 million to $30 million per piece. Its operations are similar to those of a venture capital fund or private equity firm, which seeks out profitable investments in other businesses and distributes a portion of the profits to shareholders. Roles in restaurants, manufacturers, technology companies, and other businesses are represented in its portfolio. Gladstone Capital Corp's dividend yield as of September 2022 is 8.3%, which is approximately 5 times that of the normal S&P 500 company thanks to the portfolio's diversification in debt. Number 4. Horizon Technology Finance Corporation. Although a challenging environment has caused this company to drop about 20% this year, that's not as bad as some other tech-focused companies. If you want the stability of a monthly dividend stock that delivers consistent income but you also want the potential for growth, consider Horizon. As its name implies, this financial firm invests in high-tech and high-potential startups including medical technology and green energy opportunities, as well as traditional electronics and software. Although the growth-oriented company may position investors for growth if and when bluer skies return to Wall Street in the next months, the large monthly dividend is a smart hedge against additional falls. The Horizon Technology Finance Corp dividend yield is 9.9 as of September 2022. Number 3. LTC Properties Inc. ticker LTC. Due to this risk-free attraction, LTC is a monthly dividend stock that is concentrated on two of the most trustworthy industries, senior housing and skilled nursing facilities. As loved ones continue to pay for elderly family members' care in whatever economic climate, these expenses are recession-proof. Since January, LTC stock has increased by more than 25%, outperforming the rest of Wall Street. Even without the hefty dividend, which has continued to accrue and now adds a sizable monthly payout on top of the increase in share value, this company may be worth a look if you want a consistent paycheck with stability. As of September 2022, LTC Properties Inc.'s dividend yield is 5.2%. Number 2. Pembina Pipeline Corporation. As of 2022, Pembina Pipeline is a pipeline and infrastructure corporation that mostly serves Western Canada. Pembina has given investors a potent 1-2 punch in the form of an increasing share price and a consistent monthly dividend of roughly 16.5 cents per share. The ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine suggests that energy prices will likely remain high for the foreseeable future. Pembina has also said its plans to increase its monthly dividend by 0.75 cents, or 3.6% per share once it completes a joint venture with KKR, which is likely to happen in the third quarter. Shares are up more than 20 years to date as a result of rising oil and gas prices. As of September 2022, the dividend yield for Pembina Pipeline Corp is 5.5. Number 1. Broadmark Realty Capital Incorporated. Real estate investors and developers can get financing services from Broadmark Realty Capital, a REIT. Since its founding in 2010, Broadmark has funded more than 1,200 real estate loans and deployed $3.8 billion in capital. The company makes short-term first deed of trust loans backed by real estate to fund acquisitions, renovations, or development of residential or commercial real estate. The portfolio consists of 227 current loans with an average loan size of roughly $7 million as of September 2022, and the company has a $1.6 billion active diversified loan portfolio with exposure to properties in 20 U.S. states. Which of these stocks producing a monthly dividend do you think would make decent investments? Please let us know in the comments section below. And that's it, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please like the video and make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell for new videos uploaded weekly. See you in the next video.